I'm entering the city from the Holland Tunnel. It's literally 100 degrees. If you look at the dash, I'm at 104 degrees. The bike is at 226 because the tunnel was freaking crazy. That said, we are finally in the city after 480 miles. I was legitimately in Cleveland this morning. Cleveland, Ohio. And now I'm in New York City, in Manhattan. Hot as fucking hell. 102 degrees out. But yeah, I had an amazing time. Hung out with with a good friend, Caleb, and his friends on his beachfront property in Timberlake. And I'm 1,000% going back there. Without a doubt, I'm coming back for another visit or 10. What a magical place. What a magical place. So yeah, this is the craziest thing about New York City riding is that the toughest part comes last. The toughest part comes last. After hours and hours and hours of fucking cruising, I finally made it to New York City, and I am fucking now dying. Alright, I'm so warm, I'm so hot, I'm just gonna fucking send it home. With any luck, boom boom, and we're there. Come on. Let me open up for more than one block, you fucking banana. Now we're just making our way to Canal Street. Sweat dripping off my nose, legitimately. There we go. Whew. Chinatown. Tourisms of Chinatown. Welcomes me back. Gorgeous. Ohio was gorgeous, but there's something about New York City. That guy was cruising with no plate. Adorable. I'm not doing all that. Too tired to frickin'. He's stuck in traffic. Unfortunately, I gotta go to work tomorrow, which really sucks, but it's all good. It's all gravy. BQE looks like it's moving, so it's gonna be alright. Damn, that was too close of a mistake. That was too close of a mistake. Stretch, baby. We be nice and easy. We did it. Holy shnikes, it is warm. Shit. fucking did it. Alright boys, alright girls, thank you for watching. Holy shit dude, I just slayed 500 miles Friday, 500 miles Sunday. Exhausting bro, exhausting. I'll talk to you all later, bye.